Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of weight reduction. I have a drill with a hole saw, and I'm going to be drilling some holes underneath the fender flares. I have the fender flares back there somewhere to install over it. It's gonna, I don't know how much weight it's going to drop, but it's going to help a little bit, and I think it's going to just look cool from the inside. To make it look like I tried losing some weight on the truck. So, well, here you go. Okay guys, so here we have some marks. I have a 2-inch hole saw, and there's an average of 4 inches all the way around this edge. Here it's a little bit bigger. I went 2.5 inches here just to stay away from this crease. And then every other one I just did 5 inches apart, and it's going to be 2-inch hole. I just went 2 inches up so it's centered all the way around, so it looks good from the inside as well. And yeah. Let's drill some holes. So there you go. So for weight reduction, probably not really worth it. Just a few little pieces, but they say every ounce counts. So probably gonna get going on the other side. This is what it looks like from the inside, but you'll hardly be able to see it with the fender flare on. It'll just have a black background just because it will be dark in there. But I think it looks pretty cool, and I think makes it look a little bit more like a race truck. So before I go and mount the fender flare on here, I'm just going to clean it up real quick and then just clear coat the inside with some acrylic lacquer, and just so that it doesn't rust if it does have to sit outside. Some of you might think, why don't you just run without a fender flare? First of all, I really like the looks of the fender flares on the front fender with the Denali clip, because you don't see that very often. So that's why I want to run the rear fender flare. But also, you see this line? This is what you get when you just run your fender flares on your truck. And the factory ones, they're glued on and they're a little too tight to the body line, so they scratch a big mark in it. I don't feel like painting the truck, so I'm just going to run the fender flares, and I actually have some self-tappers that push it further so it actually covers that line a little bit yet as well. So, all right, there they are. Just clear coated, and yeah, we're ready for the fender flare. Well, there you have it, guys. A little bit of weight reduction to offset the weight of the fender flare anyway. I might do the same thing to the front fenders eventually. The other side's not done yet. This is the look from the inside. It's actually white. It's the inside of the fender flare. It doesn't look that good, but I think it looks pretty cool. So that's the final product of that. Hey guys, so that was just a quick video on the fender flares and the holes drilled in the bed sides. If you want to see more, please subscribe. There will be a video on the front bed support and on the fuel system and what I'll be running and where, and building the holding part for the fuel cell, and also replacing a brake line and some wiring. And yeah, that's about it. That's all coming up in the next video, so please subscribe and give this video a like.